Mel 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe! Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers! Congratulations to our very own Tara Valencia of the Philippines for winning the Supramodel of the Year, second place or top 2 para sa Supramodel of the Year Asia and Oceania sa Miss Supranational 2025 competition. We are so very proud of our very own Tara Valencia as she always give her best in the performance of the supranational competition. Kaya naman palagi po nating suportahan at patuloy nating samahan si Tara Valencia sa kanyang laban sa Supranational 2025 competition at mamaya po kaabang-abang ang magiging semifinals or the preliminary competition ng Miss Supranational 2025. Patuloy po tayong magbibigay ng mga updates kaya patuloy ka mag-subscribe at manood sa channel na ito para sa lahat ng mga bagong balita. Once again, this is Tara Valencia's performance in the Supramodel of 2025. Mel 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe!